How to start using the Rakuten application or the website for using cashback for your shopping or getting cashback on the shopping you do from this Rakuten application. For this, getting started with Rakuten, a step-by-step guide here on the official website. You simply have to follow these steps in order to get higher cashbacks on your account. Simply log into your account and choose how to create your account on that. You can create an account with using your Google, Facebook, your Apple ID, or your simple email address. If you have been referred by a friend, you can either add their email address while signing up. This will enable them to receive a referral bonus once you sign up and spend at least $30 on purchase through the Rakuten. Enable the cookies. For Rakuten to work, it's essential to enable the cookies on your browser. This will allow Rakuten to track your spending via their shopping portal. No cookies, no cashback. Begin shopping with Rakuten. Every time you want to make an online purchase, you will need to go through the Rakuten to be eligible for cashback rewards. Simply find the merchant you're looking for on the Rakuten and visit their website through the Rakuten's shopping portal. Once you make a purchase, you will earn the cashback. Now the last step is install the Rakuten Cashback button browser extension simply on your PC. This allows you to visit the merchant's website directly without having to go through the Rakuten shopping portal first. If there is a cashback offer, the Rakuten Cashback button will let you know automatically. You can then activate the cashback on your purchase. The cashback button is available on Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. Once installed, you will find the cashback button icon in your toolbar. The Rakuten button extension is color coded. For purple means the merchant does not offer cashback. For red means that cashback is available but not activated. Blue means you have activated cashback. Thank you so much for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel for watching such updates.